We're showing all regular sensors called the assembly process of the sensor of proper way to operate the. And then we're here to put the sensor into the. This goes into the indenter. In this process, there are a few things to keep in mind. We must place them parallel to each other. Place. When we're going to squeeze down, we have to have the tools. This work tool we're going to put the wires on. Encapsulated. Contact with the metal part of the sensor. Squeeze down into place after making firm contact. Is the sensors in place? The squeeze won't budge. Then add our assembled compression ring. Pressure ring pressure mounting process. That's assembly. The process of fitting the sensors to the same degree is done.